Welcome back, guys. So right now we've created our pages, and there's something I want you to take note of. There's something called a static page. So if you are building a static page, those are business websites. If you want to build websites with different pages, like a company's page where you have the home, you have the about us, you have the blog, it's called static pages. So you have to build static pages to make that happen. But if you are building a blog, you don't need static pages. You need just a post page where you write your content. This is it right here. You create posts and you write your content, put them in categories and tags. But right now, I want to show you just how to set up a home page. And most business websites will have a blog for sure. So you can always set the home page and the blog page apart. So I'll show you how to do that. After we've created our pages, we have to indicate which will be the home page and which will be the blog page for the company's page. So right now, we've created our pages and our website is still looking blank, but you could see the menu right here. You could see our home page, our blog page, our about us page, basically. So you come back here and come to your settings. So we're going to come to settings, and now we want to try to set the home page apart from the blog page. So I'll come to reading, and coming to reading, you'll see your home page displays. So when you choose your latest post, that means you are creating a blog. So you have a blog layout. The first thing your user or your website visitor would see is your latest post. So this is where you set the blog posts apart from a company's page. So right now, if you are creating a blog, you leave it at your latest post. But if you are not creating a blog, you click on a static page. And when you click on a static page, you have to select the home page. The first thing the user will see is the home page. So when your domain name is clicked on, when your domain name is typed, or someone is trying to come to your website, the first thing they see is your home page when you're creating static page. So which of the pages we created, not in the previous lesson, which of the pages would you use as the home page? So you choose the pages. We created 3 pages. If you could remember, we created home, blog, about us. So we're going to use the home as our home page. So that's the first thing people would see when they visit this domain name, aipsds.com. As you could see, it's still blank, but when we change it now, it will change to what we created. So right now, we're going to make it home. It will not be the latest post. Then the post page will be blog. So this is one of the pages we created. So it will be blog, and you can set your blog. You can do other settings, but we'll talk about that later. But right now, as you could see, these are the basic things. We have the home and we have the blog. So I'm going to save my changes, and that way I'll be able to create my pages, and I have my static page for a business website. So that's if I'm creating a business website or a company's website. So you are going to create static pages, of course. It won't be your latest post. The home page display won't be your latest post. So basically, that's what I want to show you. Now we'll be able to set our home page and our post page apart. So when I refresh this, you'll see that we are going to have the home page we created. Remember, we created an home page and we chose a pattern. So when we come back to these pages, and when you try to edit, you'll see what the home page looks like when you try to edit. So now we are having this blank site, but with what we just did, when you refresh this, you'll be having something like this. So let's refresh this. So I'm going to refresh this, and let's see what we have here. So refreshing this domain name now should give me my home page. So let's do that right away. So what I want to do now is to save this. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to come back to my WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to visit site. So let's see what we have. So trying to visit this site now, as you could see, we have the home page right now. Because of what we did, we have the home page, and you could see a navigation menu. So our website is coming in handy. And right now, you know how to go about building your website and web pages. We have a static page and we have the latest post. Latest post is for blog pages, and the static page is for a business website or a company's website. So take notes of that. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.